Looking to maximize space and comfort in your tiny house? Wondering how to create a cozy and functional sleeping area? Dive into these creative tiny house bed ideas that blend style, space-saving solutions, and ultimate comfort. So let's dive in. In a tiny house, every square inch matters, and creating a sanctuary where you can rest and rejuvenate is essential. One of the most delightful ways to maximize your space and add a touch of whimsical elegance is with a loft bed. As you climb up to your loft, imagine the soft, inviting linens waiting to envelop you in comfort. A loft bed isn't just practical. It elevates your tiny house experience to new heights. By lifting your sleeping area, you free up precious floor space below, allowing for more functionality and creativity in your layout. Beneath the loft, you might find a cozy reading nook, a compact home office, or additional storage, all within arm's reach. To make your tiny house bedroom truly enchanting, consider these thoughtful touches. Begin with a soothing color palette. Soft blues, gentle greens, or warm earth tones can create a tranquil atmosphere. Add layers of texture with plush pillows, cozy throws, and a soft area rug, making your loft feel like a cloud. Incorporate natural elements to bring the outdoors in. A few well-placed potted plants or a small vase of fresh flowers can breathe life into your space, connecting you with nature, even when you're indoors. Lighting is key to setting the mood. String fairy lights around the loft's railing, or place a small, elegant lamp on a bedside shelf. The gentle glow will create a magical ambiance, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Personal touches make all the difference. Hang a cherished piece of artwork or a collection of your favorite photos on the walls. These small details infuse your tiny house with your personality, making it a true reflection of who you are. As you lay in your loft bed, gazing out at the starry night sky through a skylight or window, you'll feel a profound sense of contentment. Your tiny house, with its thoughtfully designed bedroom, becomes a refuge, a place where simplicity meets elegance, and every moment is filled with peace and beauty. Imagine stepping into your tiny house, a sanctuary of coziness and charm, where every corner whispers tales of comfort and elegance. As you walk through the door, the warm light filters through the windows, casting a gentle glow on the thoughtfully curated space. The aroma of fresh lavender wafts through the air, inviting you to relax and embrace the tranquility of your haven. Let's take a moment to envision your bedroom, a space that truly defines the essence of tiny living without compromising on style or comfort. Picture this. Soft, muted colors adorn the walls, creating a serene backdrop that instantly soothes the senses. Delicate, flowing curtains frame the windows, allowing just the right amount of natural light to dance into the room. Now imagine a clever layout that accommodates more than one bed, transforming your bedroom into a versatile retreat. Think of a beautifully crafted loft bed, nestled high above, with a sturdy wooden ladder leading up to it. This elevated sleeping nook, adorned with plush pillows and a cozy throw, becomes a private hideaway, perfect for restful nights under the stars peeking through a skylight. Beneath the loft, a second bed awaits, seamlessly integrated into the design. It could be a trundle bed that slides out effortlessly when needed, or a daybed that doubles as a comfortable seating area during the day. Soft, inviting linens in shades of ivory and blush beckon you to sink in and unwind. To make this space truly your own, consider incorporating personal touches that reflect your style. A vintage rug with intricate patterns adds a touch of timeless elegance to the wooden floor. Wall-mounted shelves display your favorite books, trinkets, and potted plants, infusing the room with a sense of life and character. Don't forget the little details that make a big difference. String lights draped delicately along the bed frames create a magical ambiance, casting a gentle twinkling glow as evening falls. A cozy, knit blanket draped over the edge of the bed invites you to snuggle up with a good book or simply bask in the peace of your tiny sanctuary. As you stand in this beautifully designed bedroom, you can almost hear the soft rustle of leaves outside and feel the gentle breeze that carries the scent of blooming flowers. This is your space, a testament to the beauty of simplicity and the joy of thoughtful living. Welcome to your tiny house, where every moment is a celebration of comfort, elegance, and the art of making the most of what you have. Here, in this perfectly designed bedroom, you find not just a place to sleep, but a haven that nurtures your soul and sparks joy in every corner. Join me on a journey where each video paints a brushstroke of creativity, and every room unfolds a unique story. Let's discover the secrets of style and comfort together. Subscribe now and let my shared passion transform your living spaces into havens of beauty and joy. As you step into this intimate space, imagine the gentle sway of a hammock, inviting you to relax and unwind. The bedroom in your tiny house is more than just a place to sleep. It's a sanctuary where simplicity meets elegance. Choose a hammock with a sturdy yet comfortable fabric, one that complements the aesthetic of your room. Position it near a window where you can sway gently while gazing at the view outside. Add a few plush pillows and a soft throw blanket, creating a perfect nook for reading, daydreaming, or simply enjoying a moment of tranquility. So, as you settle into your hammock, feel the gentle sway and let your worries drift away. This tiny house, with its thoughtful details and cozy ambiance, is your personal retreat. Embrace the simplicity and let every corner of your home reflect the beauty of a well-lived life.